What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. It's Ian Abs at Abs Project. And today we're going to show you how to remove a system of a Volkswagen Golf MK6. The tools that you need are a plastic trim remover and a T20. Those are the only two tools that you need. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to remove the facial cover off the system, which is around the system. And then this unit over here is a complete unit. It's not a separate tray from the stereo. Once you've removed the fascia trim, you got 4 T20 screws, 2 in each side. And once you remove that, the system should come out. Now, as you can see, I've already removed this side over here. So if I show you how I've done it, so you can get your plastic trim remover, put it behind the surrounding trim of the stereo. Just go up, and you hear it unclip from the back. So once you removed it, what you can do, what I've done, is just grab it by the hand so it doesn't break. Slowly, just unclip it from the top. Go around the edge. Once you've unclipped it from the sides and the top with your hand and the side over here, just get your plastic trim again. Just go underneath the trim. Once you remove the trim, 4 bolts, 2 each side, T20, 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 T20. Go ahead and remove them. Once you remove the 4 T20 screws, you can pull the system out now. And behind the system, you got your cables. So this white cable over here, all you want to do is pull the tab up, disconnect it. And then you got this big cable over here. You want to pull the tab down, away from the connector, and then just pull the connector out. And that's how you remove the stereo or radio out of a Volkswagen Golf MK6. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you in the next one.